Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are talking about updating data in MongoDB from changing one field to modifying an entire arrays. We will cover shell and compass methods and explain the most important update operators. So the table of contents are understand UpdateOne and UpdateMany. Common update operators: replace document with ReplaceOne, updating arrays with push, pull and add to set, update in MongoDB Compass, and some tips. First is UpdateOne and UpdateMany. So first we will try this UpdateOne. I am copying this command and opening the MongoDB Compass. I am connected to localhost. Click on local and open MongoDB shell. And first let's change the database. And now we are on local and I'm pasting this command. Acknowledge to means our document is updated. This will update the first match only. Now we will try this UpdateMany. Open this command again and click on enter. It is also acknowledged true. Now what will this do? It will update all the matching documents. The next topic is common update operators. This first is set, modify or add fields. Now what will this do? It will set the price to 5000 and brand is Logitech, and if it is missing it will add the field. Now our second is increment numeric values. Now what will do? It will decrease the stock value by 2. Now this is third method, which will remove a field. If document is present in the database and discount field is there, it will remove that field. And this is a rename field method, which will change the brand name to manufacturer. Now this is replace documents with ReplaceOne. This replaces the entire document, not recommended unless intentional. Now let's try this. Okay, it is acknowledged true also, means it is done. Now we have to use with care. All fields will be deleted unless included in the new object. Now updating arrays with push, pull and add to set. Let's try this. Add to array. selecting this and enter. It is also acknowledged true. So in this users, I think it will be updated. Yes, this is added. Our second is remove from array. So if I copy this command and paste there, it will remove the hobbies. I think cycling will be removed. Let's check. Now this third method will add the hobbies reading to the document. Let's try this. Add to set. Reading is added in the document. Now update in MongoDB Compass. First we have to go to our collection like this, and secondly select a document and click the edit icon. This is the edit icon. So from coding I am changing this. I am doing this music and update. The music is updated. Now it is useful for quick fixes or non-technical users. Now there are some tips. Always use filters carefully. An empty filter in UpdateMany can update all documents. Use set instead of replacing entire documents unless unnecessary. For versioning, consider keeping timestamps. Pro tips: avoid find without filters in large collections, it can slow the performance. Use indexes, coming up in a later video, for optimized reads. Combine filters plus projections, sort for powerful queries. Now you have know how to perform updates in MongoDB the right way. In the next video we will learn about deleting documents safely and efficiently. Thank you guys, this is our today's session. Let's connect in next video. Thank you guys, bye.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.